Next are value stocks. These are companies that trade at prices below what analysts consider their intrinsic worth. Think of a stock with strong fundamentals, such as stable earnings and valuable assets, that's temporarily overlooked or undervalued by the market. Value stocks can be slower to rise during bull markets, but often hold up better when market sentiment turns negative. Their price trends usually reflect the current business more than the future hope of the business. Value stocks typically trade below what fundamental metrics suggest they're worth, which provides a buffer if broader market sentiment turns negative. They trade with a margin of safety. Historically, value stocks, on average, have shown the ability to outperform over longer periods of time. Value stocks pay dividends. Mature companies with steady cash flows frequently reward shareholders with consistent or even growing dividends. For example, Warren Buffett began accumulating Coca Cola in the late 1980s when it was trading at a discount relative to its growth potential, when the stock was relatively undervalued. Over time, Coca Cola's brand power and dividend growth delivered substantial returns. Now let's talk about the downsides. Value traps. Remember Sears. Once viewed as an undervalued real estate retail asset business, Sears became a classic value trap. The company's fundamentals were deteriorating faster than any potential turnaround, ultimately leading them to bankruptcy. Sometimes a stock is cheap for a reason: declining industry, poor management, and the share price never actually recovers. Slower growth. Many value stocks are mature businesses with limited upside in terms of rapid revenue expansion, and most investors want to see growth. During strong bull markets driven by technology or innovation, value stocks can lag behind growth names. So value stocks have a built-in margin of safety, they often pay dividends, and they perform during the long term. The downside is they can become value traps and never perform during strong tech-driven bull markets. Value stocks are ideal for investors looking for steady returns and willing to hold on to undervalued stocks until the market recognizes and corrects its value.